Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. Actually today I was not prepared. I didn't think about recording any video, but I thought that today is the last day of this year. So let's try to create one video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you people a lot of things, especially something that I have experienced. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. My friend, as I told you, today is the last day of this year. Many people out there, they are busy in celebrating this last day of this year. They are busy in saying goodbye to this year. Why? Because they think that this year will never come back. It is gone. Almost it is gone. Only few hours are left, right? So thinking so, they are busy in celebrating. But I think that life can become very beautiful if we start thinking about every minute or every hours or every day. My friend, we only think about years, that oh, this year is about to go and it will never come back. My friend, we should think about the hours also, or we should think about the minutes also. Then we can enjoy our life each and every moment. Maybe it's very hard, easier said than done, right? Because in life we face many challenges. So being always happy, it's not possible, but at least we can try, right? So if we know the value of each and every minute or each and every hours or each and every day, we will not waste our time a lot, right? We waste our time in scrolling, in roaming unnecessary, in gossiping. But I think once we realize the value of time, we will not waste that much of time. Yes, it's important to do this kind of things also, but not a lot. Why? Because once we start enjoying each and everything, so we will not be able to focus on what is most important in our life, right? So I'm not saying that learning English is only important. There are a lot of things, getting job, or so many things are there. They are most important in our life, right? But I can just talk about English language because I always share the things that how you can learn English language. So what happened, we just only examine when year ends that how much growth I have achieved in learning English language. I think we should do it every single day if it's possible. Yeah, sometimes it can be overwhelming also that I am not getting fluency, but it will also make you become more focused, you know. So the thing is that you should examine if it's possible, then every single day, in the end of the day, you can try that where I'm making a lot of mistakes, what should I do. The chances are you will improve fast, you know. That's why I'm sharing with you. Same thing goes with any kind of success, whatever you want to achieve, your goal, your dream. Just work on that every single day and think that every minute, every hour, and every day is valuable. Not only year. We all people give value to year. I think, in my opinion, this is my opinion, it can be right and wrong also. I'm not saying that it's true, but that's how I think, or I have been thinking, that we should enjoy each and every day, or we should value each and every day, not only year, you know. So this is the thing I found today that I thought let's try to share with my friends. I hope you people are enjoying. I'm not saying that you stop enjoying. Enjoy and examine also that what you have achieved in this entire year. You may have made resolution that this year I will achieve this one, that one, but you may have not achieved some of them, or you may have achieved also. So think that what made you achieved and what made you get failure. In this way, if you examine, then the chances are you will get success little faster way than compared to others, those who are not even trying to think also that what they are doing, their life is just going, you know. They don't think that what is going on in my life. They don't even examine. But my friend, we are the creator of our life to some extent, you know. One is God, He has created us. And second is, we are here to do our karma, right? So we are creator to some extent. I'm not saying that our fate is in our hand, no. But to some extent, our fate is also in our hand if we are hardworking, or if we are focused or persistent towards something, you know. So these all things we need to focus if we want to achieve. So examine every single day, and yeah, today also examine. It's important to examine that what you have achieved or what you have lost, and why did you get failure, and how did you achieve something. Because we can learn from our mistakes a lot, rather than learning from someone's video or from someone's life. Maybe we learn also, but we should learn from our mistakes also. My friend, if you repeat the same kind of mistakes, the chances are you will fail, you know. Because what happened, we make resolution and we don't do hard work. We don't try to become focused towards anything. My friend, we make resolution every year, but we don't do anything related to that. The entire year we sleep. The resolution is one side in our diary or in our notebook somewhere, and we sleep whole year. In the end of the year, we wake up and come and check our diary, what I have achieved, what I have lost. This is not good. This is not fair. If you want to become successful in any areas of your life, then my friend, just to make resolution and try to focus each and every day. Each and every day, work hard, and whatever it takes to get your goal, to achieve success, do it. And nothing can stop you to achieving anything. It could be fluency, or it could be just anything, you know. So what I'm trying to say here, that don't value only end of the year, value each and every moment of your life. My friend, I told you, many people, they make resolution, they sleep. The entire year, they will be wandering here and there. But in the end of the year, they come and they worry. They say that I couldn't achieve anything. Where were you wandering? I'm just asking to them. You are wandering, you are enjoying your life. I'm not saying that you stop enjoying your life if you want to achieve something. No. Along with your enjoyment, you can achieve anything, because it's possible, my friend. It doesn't take a lot of effort to achieve something. It takes little extra effort than others. Okay? So this is the thing. Don't sleep after making resolution. Try to work hard. Try to stand on your resolution, that what you have made and like what you have decided. Hope that you are going to achieve, or you are going to get. And my good wishes is always along with you people. I want you to achieve whatever you want, either fluency or anything, you know. So this is the thing. Actually, I was watching some video, and then I thought, okay, let's try to make this kind of video also, because it's important. And truly I'm saying that I have experienced this thing. Earlier also I was same kind of person. I used to think that I will do this one in this year, but I did not used to be serious. But ever since I started being serious, I could see drastic changes in my life, you know. So if you want to achieve anything, or if you want to see the changes in your life, my friend, whatever you are deciding, just work on that one. And every minute is valuable, or every second is valuable, you know, not only 1 year. So try to examine, if it's possible, every day. If not, then every week, every month maybe, or in 6 months, examine your growth or your failure or whatever, and try to learn from them. Okay? In this way, you can achieve anything, whatever you want in your life. English? English is a language only. My friend, it's not hard to learn this language. But yes, initially it seems that we can never ever become fluent English speaker. I was also thinking like that. But no, now I can speak this language. It's a language. The thing is that we need to be persistent, we need to be focused, we need to work hard every single day. We just have to show up every single day if we want to achieve something. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you, my friend. Actually, today also it was very cold day, but I guess after 3:30 we could see the glimpse of the sun, so that also made us feel little energized, and that's why I am little energized, because when I see the sun, then I feel that I'm getting a lot of energy from the sun. And it's my habit also to see the sun and to get motivation from the sun also. So many things I do. So this is the thing I wanted to share with you. And tomorrow also maybe I will make the video, and that is why I am not saying advance Happy New Year, because tomorrow I will also record one video. That is for sure. So I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.